Fleet Feet, it's Mary Beth with Rock and Green. I am here today to give you guys a how to do a demo in your store during run clubs or Saturday morning meetups or anything like that. I know a bunch of you asked us last week at the show how to do it, so I just wanted to create a video. So grab your bucket, whatever you need to do a soak in, fill it up with water. It doesn't have to be cold, hot, lukewarm water is just fine. You can always grab a bag out of your inventory, or if you do need a couple samples to do that, email me. They look like this and I can send some samples. They're great to also put into bags while you're selling apparel. Today I'm going to be doing a soak, showing you things that you can soak. It's a great visual for customers that are in the store so they can see visibly how it works. So to start off, I've already filled this up with water. You can tell it's about midway full. I'm going to use a packet of our activewear laundry detergent sample. So I'm just going to dump that in. I personally like to just mix it around just a bit with my hand. Let that go. So we're going to be soaking hats. You can dump that in. Sports bras, dump that in. Some more sports bras. Leggings, more leggings. Our tried and true fun Belega socks. Sneakers, guys, you can soak sneakers. We're going to put that in. And then we do this for about 30 minutes to an hour, or if you're doing it during your run club, and I know some of you have trainings for half marathons, full marathons, you can just let it soak until that last person is back so they can see the full visual. It's not gonna hurt the clothing or the shoes. I do this all day at trade shows, as you guys probably see me when you're at conference. If you have any questions, please let me know. Once you let these soak for however long, just take them out and rinse them under water, and then you can just air dry them or dry them per normal. We also have a sports spray, which you guys saw at conference this year. It is our odor neutralizer. It's perfect to spray in sneakers. I know how smelly those get. I personally use them on my sneakers and let them so I don't smell up my closet. They're also perfect for cycle shoes, backpacks. Backpacks are perfect for the sports spray. Also, you can soak your backpacks to get all that sweat, grime, disgustingness off of it. You can soak anything. So email me if you have any questions. If you want some samples to do an in-store soak, email me on that. There's also some more information in this email, so just check it out. Thanks. Bye.